Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Gemini's image tool while signed into your Google account. This gets you straight into generation. Choose the model version and set aspect ratio, like 16:9, because that fixes composition. Then craft a clear prompt. Name the subject, pick an art style, colors, and lighting. This tells the model what to prioritize. Once done, enable any advanced options, such as seed or negative prompts to refine outputs, and hit Generate to start rendering the first set of images. Once you have an initial render, analyze what's off and refine the prompt with targeted adjectives, camera angles, and mood to push results toward your vision. Make sure to use negative prompts to explicitly remove unwanted objects or styles. This reduces trial and error. Next, tweak generation settings like sampling method, step count, and seed to control detail and reproducibility. If you want higher fidelity, increase steps. If you need variety, change the seed. Repeat until composition, color, and detail align with your goal. When you're satisfied, export the image in the format and resolution required for your use. PNG for transparency, JPEG for smaller files, TIFF for print. Then perform final edits either inside Gemini or in an external editor. Make sure file dimensions and color profile match your target platform. If output looks wrong, troubleshoot by making your prompt more specific, switching model version, or increasing steps for detail. Also retry with a different seed to avoid persistent artifacts. This usually fixes compositional or visual anomalies quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.